swordfish, for example, that I just got
in Canada.
is extremely rare.
So I've trained nurses.
He was
and then-
$220.
O'Shea or?
Yep.
O'Shea.
Okay.
Yeah,
I do, yeah.
yeah.
I'm gonna be
Alright,
looking for more
thank you.
fish
It was so
eventually.
nice to
Yeah,
visit with
it's
you.
already 1
Yeah, we'll
o'clock.
see you again.
Yeah,
All right,
we'll
more
be
fish and more
here, we'll
fuzzies.
get that, and then should we call you?
If I get that, get this.
And then you
My
can do
internship
it.
at Romac is
My
gonna be
buddy
paid.
can't do it, if he's too busy,
Yep.
we'll hire your electrician.
Hopefully I get it. Fingers crossed, cause
Okay.
I want to be part of what I love.
Bye-bye. I left a message with Nancy neighbor about the car, waiting for a response, okay. She's trying to get the car moved over to our house.
Yeah, no worries.
You live, Ryan?
And I don't know how
In the
this
zone.
is, this, did you run this copy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I gotta make another copy for this. So she wants to buy some light kits and switches, and she has this handyman coming to do all the work. I was like, it's gonna avoid having to move in the house, to avoid the warranty, and you might want to call Pikes or Galaxy to see what they're gonna charge you. So you can always have that installed, but even if Ben does it, it's still gonna avoid your brand new house warranty. But it's up to
Does it?
anybody who's not, because the warranty isn't with Bell. Somebody else coming in. They just show you that it's like, I wouldn't worry about it. Your house is gonna be fine as far as the electricity goes. I wouldn't worry about that. But when I told her that Ben could do all of it for under $200, she said, it's $100 trip charge and then 20 for each switch, 20 for each light.
Really?
Yeah. It's just like,
Okay, all right. And he's licensed, bonded, and insured?